Everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you one ingredient that helped in growing my hair long and also thick. It did not just help in growing my hair long, it also helped in growing my edges. It revived my edges. As you can see in the picture above, where my edges was gone, it helped in growing my edges back. Not just that, formerly when I combed my hair, my whole room would be filled with my hair. The breakage and shedding was just so much, but now it is different. My hair does not break like that. Not that it just does not break, but my room is safe now. I don't have to be worried about combing my hair inside my room. But if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. On this channel, I bring videos on how to grow your natural hair. You can see how my hair has improved so far. So you can also benefit from all the videos I bring. Ingredients that help saved my hair and that is far better than rosemary water is cloves. Proceed. Let me tell you the benefits of using cloves on your hair. Benefits of cloves on your natural hair. Cloves contains nutrients such as eugenol that helps to strengthen your hair and also revives any dormant follicles. It also promotes new hair growth. Cloves help in treating dandruff. It adds shines to your hair. It cleans and soothes the scalp. Cloves also help in treating hair loss and hair fall when applied. How to prepare cloves for hair growth. First, I got my jar and also I got my cloves, which is the ingredient we are going to be using. I added a spoon of my cloves into my jar. Then I used hot water. Another method you can use for this is the boiling method. So I kept this for 24 hours before using it. After 24 hours, that's how it looks like. And I got my strainer and I strained out the clove water. After straining, I decided to add my essential oil, which is the peppermint essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice that you have available. If you don't have essential oil, that's fine, you can use it, but after using this, make sure you oil and also cream your hair immediately so your hair does not dry out. I went ahead to stir this after adding few drops of my peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil helps to improve hair growth and also prevents hair loss. It also helps to keep your hair fresh and scalp clean. I went ahead to apply this on my hair. Usually I do apply this on a daily basis when I had issues with my hair. But as my hair improved, I stopped using it regularly on my hair. I minimize it to twice in a week. Sometimes when I don't use this during the day, I use this in the night as an overnight hair growth treatment. When I use this, I usually use a bag on my hair, a plastic bag to cover my hair and also put on my satin cap on my hair. This can be applied on cornrows. It can be applied on loosed hair if you have your hair loosed out. It can also be applied when you braid your hair. What you do is that you apply it on your scalp, directly on the scalp and not on the braids, which I have a video on it. You can watch the video. As I apply it on my hair, what I usually do, I massage my hair immediately. Massaging of your hair helps to improve blood circulation to your scalp. That helps to grow your hair. Benefit so much from this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and also giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you and see you on my next video. Bye for now.